Okay, hopefully we'll be making a quick video reference to the Retevis RT73. Some problems with getting it started. We're going to turn on the radio. We've got it plugged in with the programming cable that came with the radio into the computer. It's showing on the computer that it's on COM 9 here, and it's showing COM port 9 here. Alright, last night they sent me a bootloader file to put into the radio and said to open the top one, flash file. So here's the boot image that they sent me. I'm going to click on that, say to open. Alright, and we're going to turn the radio off. Okay, we're going to push down the P1 button and turn the radio back on. Okay, it's in the boot setup. So now we're going to hit the right flash. Goes to changing modes and timed out. Okay, so we will turn the radio off. And turn the radio back on. Okay, screen still shows pretty much the same thing. We're going to push in the, still throws 3 icons. Turn the knob, it doesn't go anywhere, or change icons. Push the knob, 1 0, goes back. So I don't know if it flashed the bootware or not. Does not appear to have. So we're going to go over here, check that to make sure it's open. We'll click this again. Boot image file. Open. The right flash is now indicating that you can right flash, so we will turn off the radio. Push in the P1, turn the radio back on. It's in boot mode, and click right flash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, as you see the hex numbers crossed here, page 1. Okay. So we will turn this off and turn it back on. Looks the same. Still 3 icons. No change there. No change there. Back. Menu. Try to change it. Nothing happens. So we're going to back out of that. Now, we're going to try the firmware upgrade. Okay, so in the video it said to use the bottom one for the firmware upgrade. So we're going to click the bottom one. Okay, and we're going to go to CR73. Okay, And we're going to go to the firmware update of 2021-0329 bin file. Click that, open. Okay. We're going to turn the radio off, push down the P1, go to the firmware write setup, and click. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, we'll turn it off. Turn it back on. And we'll hit the menu button, see if anything changed. Still 3 icons, not the 8 or more that it should have. We'll turn it, see if it'll change icons. No. Push it in to select the icon, we get a 1, 0, and back out. Okay, so it doesn't seem to have worked anything there. Now, we'll turn the radio off. Push down the P1. This time, we'll try to load up the other. Okay, as you saw before, it was on 365 for end of page. This time we're going to go to the 2021-0609 bin. Which is, I believe, their newest firmware update. And radio's in firmware writing mode. We're going to click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Done, according to it. Click the menu button. Nothing. No changes. Still the same. No changes to the radio whatsoever. We'll try it a second time. On serial port 9, or COM port 9. Okay, COM port 9, it says COM port 9. And hit the right again. Whoops, we didn't put it in write mode. So we'll turn the radio off. Push it in. It's in the write mode. Okay. Turn the radio off. Turn it back on. Menus, same three icons. No change whatsoever. Okay, we've got a file here. And as you can see up here, it says 9.1.7178. Okay, we've got zones in here, etc., other items. We're going to click on read from the radio. Nothing happens. Okay. We'll click on device, COM port 9. Click on open the COM port. Okay. So we'll click on read again. Nothing's happening. We click on write. Nothing happened. Okay. So we'll go to device again. COM port. Refresh. COM port 9. Open. COM port read. And nothing happens on the radio. So, no luck with this radio. Hopefully they'll give me my money back.